time what time is the best to go to bed? The evening. The Daoists make yin yang. They have 12 时辰. They call it 子午流注. 子午流注啊. Maybe 2 hours is 1 时辰. He said from the evening, 11 o'clock to the morning, early morning, 1 o'clock. They call it 子时. It's for the gallbladder. What is it? Gallbladder. Okay. You need to fall asleep. You need to sleep. Because the liver, the gallbladder, they work cleaning. They help to digest the cleaning. If you still eat, someone now they still eat. You don't let them rest. It's like you train. You already trained 2 hours and put you to another 3 hours. Yes. So what do you think about it? And someone still eat their drink. Drink and eat. You know, you don't listen. You don't listen. You organs. You just whatever you eat. Of course, you damage it. Even you train, it still doesn't work. You still damage your organs. Many students say, he said, when I do meditate, so I know it's the time from 11, the evening, 11 to morning, early morning, 1 o'clock is the best time, maybe 12 o'clock is the best time to meditate. So I cannot go to bed too early, I have to wait there for meditate. Okay, meditate is good, training always good. It depends what you do, what's your job, what your age. You know. So if you work very hard, you get up very early morning, you work all day, your whole day you work, you're tired, and you're still waiting for 12 o'clock to meditate. This is damage too. From my experience, I think it's when you're tired, you just go to sleep. The best way. Quickly go to bed, sleep. And when you wake up, you feel very strong to meditate. This is my experience. Doesn't matter 15 minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour, it's good. Doesn't matter. But it matters you're tired or not. If you see there, yawning, okay, go to bed, don't sit there. We have some fasting class, meditation class before. I took students to meditate. And someone said, so I have a real problem with sleep. When they do meditate, yeah. Many happen a lot. And they are most easy to fall asleep. I think maybe meditating maybe really can fix the problem. Yeah, they are snoring. Someone even 5 minutes, 10 minutes just snoring. Like that. So when you see this, maybe we start laughing when I try to explain, but you see how poor people, how they are soft. They see they are like 10 minutes that, you know. Human being, you see that is really soft. not good life. You sit there, you feel when you get up, you really like feel strong, very strong. You're falling asleep. You don't feel sleepy. You know, but I understand they are really exhausted, and they cannot sleep. They cannot sleep is because they are exhausted. When you're young, you're okay. You have you like a car, you still have gasoline. When you're getting older, the gasoline almost gone. Yeah. So sleep, I think, is in our life the same important like a food. If you learn the Taoist, you read the Taoist, have a lot of book, a lot of about it. Teach people how to cultivate it. A lot classic book, very good for that. And very 细致怎么说？那个英文怎么说细致 ？Very like
precise.
Yeah, meticulous. Getting the specific. Specific.
孟非不知道吗？细致
Detail.
啊
Detail.
，detail。
Detail.
They tell you everything very, in detail. They tell you how to sleep. They tell you how to eat. They tell you how to practice. Very good. Many people, they cannot sleep. They start worrying. Oh, tonight maybe I will, cannot sleep again. You start worrying, Then you really cannot fall asleep. This has become maybe, common problems. Our school, a lot of people cannot sleep. School, please help me, I cannot sleep. I said, don't worry. Cannot sleep? Get out. You cannot sleep while you stay in the bed. Get out. The thing is really complicated. And someone cannot sleep only maybe the early morning, 2 or 3 o'clock, they fall asleep in the morning. They wake up 6 o'clock, for example, they just sleep maybe 3 hours. You sleep, 6. I only sleep 3 hours, I need more. But then waste of time maybe 2 hours. They still cannot sleep, but they still stay in the bed. I said, if you cannot sleep, your sleep not good quality. Get up. Practice. Better than you stay in the bed. I'm pretty sure. Because in the morning, your energy the young energy start grow. Because the sunrise, you need to get up. If you're tired, you can do this. Okay, sleepy, no problem. Just do it. Move. Doesn't matter. So, if someone cannot sleep, so you just told them, don't sleep, get up. Don't stay there. This is the best medicine. This is the solution. Is that the treatment, the best treatment. Maybe
maybe when you see they are waiting for a train or something, maybe you fall asleep. Even 10 minutes is also okay. Also okay, no problem. So you don't need to worry about it, I sleep or not. Because your body don't let you sleep. They already, they disturb you. You need slow. You have to accept this. It's suffering. I know it's suffering a lot. You need to accept it. Because you make it crazy, not people. Then you need to accept and slowly how to fix it and how to make your body clock time in schedule. You break the schedule because of course you have to make it back. And if you start worrying, oh, tonight maybe too loud here, I cannot sleep maybe. I'm pretty sure you cannot sleep because you start worrying already. Your information you already go to your organs already. This is information. All the information is you cannot see, but they are